Don't wake up the monster. Now that is the worst sense of humor. You're looking at the Singer 15M, that's 1.5 mic. A quick search online can be confusing. Some people think of it as an obscure variation of the immensely popular Model 15 series or Class 15. It may be rare in some parts of the world, but in Western Europe here there are loads of them. Like this hand-cranked version made in Monza, Italy. This style was used during a brief period from the 1950s to the early 60s, a couple of years to a decade. It was an angular design, the end of the classic shape, and it is similar to the appearance of the updated 201, the 201 Mark II, and the redone Model 99, the Model 185. Both the 201 Mark II and the 185 are identical in parts and construction to the predecessors with only a different look. Some call it the butcher or butcher block look. You guessed it, basically the 1.5 mic is the same as the 15K88 or the 1588, but in another shell, a different design. It too shares the oscillating bobbin case and the race underneath. It too has a backstitch option, and like the 1588, it too has dropped feed dogs. The only thing is the needle. It sits with the flat side facing outside, left. Winding a bobbin is, kind of similar to the 15. Place a spool on the lower spool pin and guide the thread along this wheel to the empty bobbin on top. Push the mechanism away from you until the rubber wheel makes contact with the balance wheel. If you turn this clutch quarter to the left, you can wind the bobbin without the needle moving. The winding mechanism has a lever that will activate a release spring when the bobbin is full. Want to stop before that? Press the lever and you're done. Cut the thread and turn the clutch tight. Now hold the bobbin case in your left hand and the bobbin in your right hand. The thread should leave the bobbin counterclockwise. When you put the bobbin inside, extend the lever on the rear so the bobbin case locks the bobbin. Almost done, put it in and pull the string through the groove until it reaches a small hole. And all will fit perfectly in the race in the bottom of the machine. The upper thread travels from the spool through this channel down to the rear of the tension unit. Let it sit or against the two tension discs. Go underneath and back up again. Behind this pin and back down again. Below the take-up spring and then back up again. Then up to the arm, pull the thread through the hole towards you. Then down to the first and second hook. Now pull the upper cord through the needle and from the inside to the outside or right to left. And you're ready to go. Let's spin the Singer.